Everyone, further continuing our indicator of growth and development. Next is Human Development Index. So first of all, it is presented in 1990 by the UNDP, that is United Nations of Development Program, and it is focuses on the more human development and social factor is considered in this study. Okay, the main contributor in presenting the human development, that is Mehboob Al Haq and Dr. Amartya Sen, who is an Indian economist. Okay, now what are the determinants, or you can say factors, which are considered in human development? That is, the first one is life expectancy, second is knowledge, and third is good standard of living. If we talk about the life expectancy, so what is life expectancy? So life expectancy means the lifespan of the people. If the lifespan of life expectancy rate is 50, then less than 50, then you can say that the country is having deficient in health, and higher the life expectancy, then the better human development index will be. And next is knowledge, or you can say educational achievements. Okay, to know the quantum of knowledge, adult literacy in a percentage is calculated of the age group of more than 15 years. So there are two aspects that we have to calculate: the number of years of schooling and the expected number of schooling, and the difference between that is taken to derive the value. And the next is good standard of living. Good standard of living is having a various facilities like medical facility, good sanitation, infant mortality rate, pure drinking water, undernourished and malnourished children, transportation, communication, etc. All these things comprises in the standard of living. Data regarding income are also considered in the standard of living, which makes better economic achievement. With all these we can calculate the HDI. So, and you can see the construction of HDI. As you had seen in PQLI is constructed between the 0 to 100. Here construction of HDI lies between 0 to 1. The data which are nearer to 1, they are having more HDI, and more HDI means more economic development. And the data who are nearer to 0, they are known as the less human development index. So it is a less development. So if we talk about the progress of anyone, so true progress will considered only as there is a economic progress plus social progress. Then only it is known as, you can say, progress. Now, what are the limitations of HDI? So there are also 3 indicators and others are ignored. All the factors have given equal weightage, but in reality different situation have a different importance of different factor. Next is, it is not an absolute expression, it only shows the relative progress. Okay, now this is some data which are represented in Human Development Report of 2015, and these data are of 2014, which was published in 2015. So it is classified into the 4 categories: highest human development, high human development, moderate human development, and low human development. And these are some data of that particular report. So here the country: Norway, America, China, India, Pakistan, Niger. This is an HDI value, and according to that the ranking of that particular country. See, there are 188 countries. So Norway comes at the first in rank in HDI, and Niger is the lowest, 188. This is the gross national income, average expectancy rate, expected year of schooling, and average number of years in school. So if we going to analyze this data, you will concluded that the 4 countries, the data of 188 countries, and the classification according to the HDI, that is highest develop, high develop, moderate develop, and low develop. So the countries which are listed 1 to 49, they are having 0.890 HDI score, and so total 49 countries are considered as the highest developed country. Next is high 50 to 105 countries, they are having 0.37735. So total 56 countries are considered in this category. Moderate, so 106 to 143, which are having 0.614 in the HDI score. So there are total 38 countries in this category, and the last one is low, so that is 144 to 188. They are having the HDI score 0.609. So in this category there are 45 countries. So if you analyze this data, you can see how these 188 countries are lying in which development stage. So if you see, India comes in the moderate, it means India comes in the 106 to 143. India is having the number in between. Okay, and the Niger, which is a continent of Africa, it is ranked at the 188, the last one, with the 0.348 standard of HD. Last but not the least, the comparison between the PQLI and HDI. So PQLI is presented by Davis Morris, and HDI is presented by UNDP. PQLI is a social indicator and HDI is a social plus economical indicator. PQLI focuses on the factor like education, child mortality, infant mortality rate, and life expectancy. HDI includes education, high standard of living, and life expectancy. The value of PQLI is between 0 to 100 and value of HDI is between 0 to 1. Maximum value of PQLI is 100, maximum value of HDI is 1. PQLI is very narrow concept and HDI is a broad concept. PQLI is more concerned about the use of income and not level of income. HDI is concerned about the level of income and utilization of that income.